Last but not least, you'll need to change the time signature and the key signature in these two little examples that I have for you here. Like anything else that you need to put in your music besides notes, you can find the time signature and key signature over here in your palettes. Key signature is here. Time signature is here. So first of all, we need to change the time signature. We're going to open up time signatures, and currently it doesn't have one right there. That's because with Musescore, it only puts the time signature at the last place that it changed. So I think, yeah, I changed it to 3-4, and then I changed it to 4-4, and then everything else after it is 4-4. So, and you could also tell that just by kind of looking at it. So it's in 4-4. I could just drag and drop 4-4 in here. It doesn't change anything because it was already in 4-4. But when you change your time signature, you need to enter a different time signature, because I want you to see what happens when you change your time signature after you've already entered music. So it's already in 4-4. I'm going to go ahead and drop a time signature 4-4 right here so you can see how that works. Again, just drag and drop it like anything else. Here's my 4-4. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to hover over the measure so that it highlights purple like this, and I'm holding it right where it's going to drop anyway, so there shouldn't be any problems. If you try to drop it at the end, or like at the end of a measure, it might go into the next measure. If you just hold it directly over the middle of the measure, it'll pop to the beginning of it. So you need to change it to something else besides 4-4 and see what happens. Changing the key signature, this key signature is different from that one. And when I change it, it shows up at the end of the previous line. So you will need to get in here to your key signatures and change it to a different key signature, something that doesn't have the same number of flats or sharps. And then you can kind of see what happens when that happens. So if you have any questions, they should be all in this video.